Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another TryHackMe CTF Collections number 2. In today's video, we are going to gather the 10s, 11s, and 12s flags. Without further ado, let's head over to Linux VM to start. Let me check its a hint. First, look at THM URL without HTTPS and use it as a referrer. So I think this flag must have a lot to do with referrer, and we can use Suite to manipulate the referrer field in the request header. But unfortunately, at this moment, we don't know where to manipulate a request. Actually, we need to make, the very comprehensive directory enumeration and to check every hidden directories until you can find this one, free sub. Let's access this directory. And here only people came from this one are allowed to claim the voucher. So I think this text clearly tells us we need to manipulate referrer fields in the request. Okay, let me copy. Maybe it's not necessary to copy. And we can enable intercept option and refresh this page. And then we can manipulate the request here. We can add one more field, referrer, and this is TryHackMe added. And maybe we can send it to repeater or module. And we can send the manipulated request to the server. But it doesn't work. Only people came from TryHackMe allowed to claim the voucher. So it's necessary to include the com.com. I don't know. Let me send it. Yes, this time we get something different, which is the 10th flag. We can copy and put over here. Sweet. Not so easy, As we are going on the journey, we are facing more and more difficult flag or challenges. Okay, so now let's go back to the room to check a hint of the next flag. So temper the HTML. Although, this is another difficulty we must solve. Actually, let me disable intercept option and access the first, not the first, the main page or home page. We must be very careful to do this challenge. Okay, so here, let's scroll down, and you can find. Let me see the menu, and some sort of dishes like tire, and chicken. So let me take it. And you scroll down and you will get some message back. So what a healthy choice. I prefer an egg. Okay. Unfortunately, this drop down list doesn't contain egg. Don't worry. We can use Suite to manipulate. Okay. Let me show you. We can intercept. We can enable intercept option And let's go back and take it one more time. Here, I think we can just, change seller from seller to egg. Okay, let's forward it. And then let me go back to see what we can get this time. You found the secret menu, and this is the 11th flag. Let me copy and put over here. The technique itself is not so complicated. The difficulty lies in the place where we should do such manipulation. Okay, now let me go back to the loom and check the hint of the next flag. So here, fake GS file. Let me go back to the home page and check its source code. To see what, so JS code, fake JS. So this one, usually jQuery is not our focus. We do not need to pay much attention to such a file. However, if we open this, JavaScript file, you will see this is not a normal jQuery. Instead, this is a custom deviation function deviation. And here we can find this hexadecimal that we can copy and use subchef to decode, right? And then we can get the 12th flag. Let me copy and paste over here. Okay. So even we have already gathered the 13th flag. So why we need to? So no need to, no need to have a hint this time. So up to this point, we have already gathered 13 flags in total. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.